In this video, I'll discuss with you how to embed a video in your blog post. Also, I'll tell you how to customize that video post perfectly according to your requirement. So if you think the video is going to be valuable for you, kindly give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. There are basically two ways by which we can embed a video into our blog post. That video may be like any video from YouTube or Facebook or from anywhere. So let's talk about if we want to embed a YouTube video into our post. Right down below the first paragraph, I want to add a YouTube video. So for that, press enter and then click on plus. Here you can type YouTube. Click on this icon and they are asking us about the URL of the video that we want to add. See, I've already decided which video I want to add. See, this video is not related to the article that I am posting, but just to show you how it's done, I'm gonna embed this video. So in order to embed this video, click on share here. And here we are getting a link. Copy this link and paste it over here. And then click on embed. Alright, we have successfully embedded our video. So first click on save draft. And then let's have a preview of how it looks. Click on preview in new tab. As you can see our blog post, here it is title, then paragraph, then the video, then our heading starts. This looks absolutely perfect to me. Now the user can play this video on the website itself. And they can watch the entire video. They can also subscribe to the channel from here. They can add this video to the watch later section by clicking on here. Also, they can share this video and they can watch the video from any specific part they want to. So the process is absolutely simple and the result is also as expected. But by now you understood how to embed a video. I want to ask you people a couple of questions. First, can you customize this video? Second, can you change the width and height of this video? Third, can you embed a Facebook video using the same method? Fourth, what if you want to embed a video and you are getting a code? Well, in order to answer all the questions, I am presenting to you the other method. Okay, so follow along with me to know how it works. And later on, we can compare both methods and see which suits the best. So for that, click on add block and here type custom HTML. Click on here and here it's asking me for a code of the video that I want to add here. So I want to embed the same video, click on share. And here we are not gonna copy the URL, rather click on embed option over here. So here we have the code that we require. We can copy this code and paste it over here. That will do it later on. But before that, I want to address you with some more options available here. The first one, as you can see here, is start at something. So from here, you can decide where you want your video to start. Like if you have written an article on certain topic and you have discussed something related to the same topic in this video after a certain duration of the video, so you can start the video from that particular point. In that case, you can go to that particular point and check this option over here. Also, the next option is show player controls. Player controls, like as a user, you have some options like you can take the video forward or backward. You can add the video to watch later section. You can do many more things like as a user, you can share the video, you can subscribe to the channel. So if I uncheck this box, you can see right now what happens. Okay, so now as you can see, when I go on to play this video, I don't have controls right below here. But in this case, interface looks quite clean, but we are gonna check this box as I want to show player controls over here. The third option is to make sure of the privacy of the users. Okay, so copy the code and come back to our website, paste it over here. And then click on preview. So here you can see how it looks and also click on preview to see how it looks. This video I have added right now and this video I have added before, right? So you can compare by yourself which looks better. So the video that we added using the first method is fitting perfectly with the format of our article, right? But the video that we added right now is not fitting perfectly, right? As you can see here, my head has been cut out. But we can customize it and change the width and height of the video. So for that, click on our website, come to HTML, and here as you can see, height is 315 in the code, so we'll take it to 500. Click on preview. Click on preview here. Now you can see this is the video that we have added right now, and now this is fitting perfectly. But after we had to customize some height and width, right? And this is the video that we added earlier on. So here we didn't have to do any external settings, right? But the benefit of the recent method is that we can customize it according to our own choice. And we can add any other kinds of videos also. But if you want to embed a YouTube video, in that case, using the first method is preferable, right? So now I don't want this block, so I'll remove this. And one more way to add the video is click on here and type embed. Here it is. And here you can provide the URL of any kind of video that you want to add here. At the end, save draft. So now you know all the ways to embed a video into your blog post and customize it. Still, any doubts or questions, comment down below to let me know. And if you think the video was valuable enough, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video where I'll explain to you everything about post categories and post tags. Till then, take care of yourself, be happy, be positive.